hope you're all okay. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and our UK series. For this episode we are going to be sharing our Halloween and Bonfire Night with you guys. Both of these nights are quite big in the UK and we don't get to experience them as much when we are away, so we're very excited for this time of year. It's one of my favourite times of year. It's really starting to feel wintry now and getting towards the Christmas period, but we're not talking about that just yet.
So starting off, we are heading to a pumpkin patch to go pumpkin picking. So we've been before a couple of years ago when we were back in the UK around this time of year, and Bex absolutely loved it. So we said anytime we're back in the country we will make it a tradition where we go. So we found one local and we're heading there now. We have got a bit of an agenda, so we're going to get some big ones to carve for ourselves. Other family members also are after some, and we're going to get a few little ones for decoration as well. We're going to go and try and find a few different sizes ready to carve, but in typical British fashion the weather is not with us, it's against us, so it's going to make very entertaining footage when we're sliding around this field trying to find some pumpkins for you.
Got the first one you've seen.
Pop all over.
So just picked our pumpkins. It all comes to £25, which isn't actually that bad.
Not bad, only 6 pumpkins, 3 very large ones.
And now we're just going to go and get a couple. So it is a new day and George is at work, so we are going to do some Halloween baking. Can you see the pumpkins in the background? But I tried to go to the shops to find one of those baking kits for maybe Halloween cookies or something like that, maybe some ghosts or pumpkins or I don't know, something, and there wasn't really a selection of Halloween kits. There was some that were cupcakes but they had sweet eyes on them and it made me feel weird. I didn't want to get them. So what I've ended up with instead is a lemon cake, which I am going to do some decorating on to make it Halloweeny. I am kind of cheating, but we'll end up with a nice cake either way. So George is home, and I've got him doing the most intricate part, which is the design on top. Another day, another Halloween
fiasco.
I'll take it. And today we are finally carving out pumpkins. It's actually taken us a good few days of saying we're going to do it to get around to doing it. It's Halloween tomorrow, so we really best get to it. Got 2 really big ones, and I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do on mine.
I do, but I'm going to reveal it when it's done. So after we've just done the pumpkin carving, or part of it, we are now on the way to ex-dad's to do some Halloween scaring. So we're just around the corner now, and then we will show you the poor unfortunates that are about to get the soul scared out of them.
Hoping that our outfits are going to be there. We ordered some masks very last minute. They were supposed to be delivered today, but we will see. This whole night is going to be a bit of a free-for-all. We don't really know what the plan is. We have done this before, it's becoming somewhat of a tradition. We have not been involved in the planning as much this year, so fingers crossed.
I need my sweet. Oh my god, they're all coming out now. You stay away. Oh, that one's good. Oh! Oh my god, what's this so many people?
Whoa!
Good evening, guys.
Hello.
So we are now beginning the Bonfire Night festivities. Bonfire Night is actually tomorrow, so we are cheating a little bit, but we are at
Market Drayton, high school in Market Drayton.
And we've got tickets for the event tonight. There's supposed to be stalls, rides, fireworks, the works. It's terrible weather, so we're just hoping for anything. But this is one of my favourite nights of the year, and we're really excited.
Despite the bad weather, there is a lot of people here. A lot of people still made the effort. It still should be a wicked night.
everyone.
Hello.
So I'm getting swallowed by my hood. So that is it for the night. This was like a 5 to 10 minute quick fireworks show. Bit of food, a couple of rides. Was more of a smaller one than I think we're used to. That is it for us for tonight. We may do some driving around fireworks tomorrow. So that's all from us for this episode. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you very soon.